As Australia's largest stockist of wheels and tyres, bobjane T-Marts independence allows us to conduct our own tyre testing, which gives us first-hand knowledge of the safety and performance of tyres we stock and recommend to our customers.
We'll be doing a lane change, or commonly known as a moose test, at 60 kilometres an hour. We'll be doing braking, which will be in dry and wet braking at 60, 80 and 100 kilometre intervals. We'll also be doing a slalom test at 40 kilometres an hour. The reason we're doing this is for us to understand better the tyres that we're actually promoting for our customers out there in the retail market land. These tyres we're testing today as well have no input from any manufacturer or supplier. These are tyres we've taken off our shelf that we promote and sell to our customers every day. The premium tyres we'll be testing today are our Bridgestone, Continental, Pirelli, Dunlop, Goodyear and Michelin tyres.
The Moose test was developed to replicate an emergency swerve and avoid scenario that a driver may encounter in normal driving. Because the tyres are the primary contact patch of the vehicle to the road, it stands to reason that various tyres would behave differently when put under the stress of a Moose test. For the slalom test, the tyres are subjected to a sequence of turning manoeuvres. Here the driver is measuring the tyre's ability to provide stability to the car in the event of the car needing to swerve for any reason. The repetitive nature of the test provides insight into the tyre construction, as the sidewalls and shoulders are subjected to deformation with multiple aggressive changes in direction. The wet and dry braking simulations are probably the most important safety demonstrations. This test is designed to help us understand the exponential change in stopping distances in relation to speed.
I'd say that was pretty easy actually. Moderate understeer, but it felt pretty good actually. I want to say the sidewalls felt like they had less flex in them. I think they're a bit more direct in how they connect to the road. Initial turn-in on that actually felt alright. So I think out of all the tyres, they felt the best through there so far. Initial turn-in was dull and then it fell over on itself coming out. But I think they felt better than everyone but the last set. I reckon the sidewall felt good. There was understeer the whole way through. I thought the initial turn-in was good, bit of a lag in the mid, and then it sort of picked up and turned again, controlled the whole way through, wasn't it?
With the results in on the premium tyres, there were three standout leaders, being the Michelin, Goodyear and Bridgestone products. Where the Michelin lacked in the Moose and the slalom tests, it more than made up for it in the braking performance. The Continental, Dunlop and Pirelli had extremely small variations that made it difficult to separate the three tyres, and in the end it came down to the wet braking performance that separated the bottom three tyres from the top three.